Looking for a family staycation na both relaxing, sulit at nasa heart pa ng Manila? Tara, let's go! City Garden Suites Manila has the perfect family staycation package for only 9,999 net per night na perfect for 8 adults and 4 kids. Kasama na dyan ang spacious family room na may kasama pang living space na may mini dining area, merong TV, tapos namumukan ko to, ay nawala. Tapos ito yung mini fridge, amenities sila, at meron pang couch na good for family bonding talaga. Na meron pang kasamang deluxe room na kasing laki naman nito. Both the family room and the deluxe room merong workspace, merong storage space, at syempre yung paborito nating lahat, meron dapat tayong toilet with bidet para maliit lang yung banyo, at syempre yung shower. Tara. Syempre may kasama ng fitness center access at breakfast buffet, hindi lang for isa, hindi lang for dalawa, kundi pang 8 adults at 4 na kids. Mga ka-eat, sobrang sulit ito for only 9,999 net per night. Mga ka-eats, may enjoy nyo itong hotel, itong staycation, at napakalapit pa sa mga tourist spots sa Manila. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats, at i-book nyo na yung family staycation package niyo sa City Garden Suites. Bye-bye!